At number 4, we have the Hoover OnePWR Evolve. This vacuum cleaner delivers impressive suction power with its 7,000 pascals of force, making it a strong performer across both carpets and hard floors. Equipped with 2 interchangeable lithium-ion batteries, this vacuum offers up to 38 minutes of continuous cleaning time, ensuring extended sessions without frequent recharging. Its Tangle Guard brush roll effectively prevents hair wrap, handling strands up to 9 inches long, ideal for households with pets. The 1-liter dustbin capacity reduces emptying frequency, and the self-standing design adds convenience during pauses. Maneuverability shines thanks to a pivoting floorhead and lightweight build, though its upright form can feel bulky in tight spaces. Testing revealed it captures over 98% of debris on carpets and transitions seamlessly to hard floors with a dedicated brush-off mode for delicate surfaces. The 15 cyclone filtration system traps 99.4% of particles, though it lacks HEPA sealing for allergen-sensitive users. While noise levels are moderate, the vacuum emits a high-pitched hum during operation, with LED headlights illuminating hidden dirt and 4 power modes to adjust suction intensity. The OnePWR Evolve balances versatility with robust cleaning performance. Its compatibility with Hoover's broader OnePWR battery ecosystem allows expanding runtime for larger homes.